In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WordPress with Zoho CRM. We'll be doing this by installing and activating the Zoho Flow plugin inside WordPress, which is a simple starting point for connecting your website to Zoho's ecosystem. If you're ready, let's jump right in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site's content, settings, themes, and plugins. Make sure you're logged into the correct WordPress account with permission to install or manage plugins. Otherwise, you may not see the options we need. Once you're inside WordPress, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can view all currently installed plugins, add new ones, and activate tools that extend the functionality of your site. Since we're connecting WordPress with Zoho CRM, this is where the setup begins. After opening the plugins area, use the search bar to search for Zoho Flow. Be sure to type the name clearly so you can find the correct plugin quickly. Zoho Flow is designed to help connect WordPress with other apps and services, including Zoho CRM, making it a useful bridge between the two platforms. When you find the Zoho Flow plugin in the results, click Upgrade and Activate. Depending on your WordPress environment, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal here is to make sure the plugin is installed, updated if needed, and fully activated. Activation is important because simply finding the plugin isn't enough. It has to be turned on before WordPress can use it. Give it a moment to complete the process. Once activated, the plugin becomes available in your WordPress setup and is ready for the next stage of connection and automation. If your screen refreshes or you see a confirmation message, that's a good sign the activation worked successfully. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the plugin after searching, double check your spelling and make sure your site allows plugin installation. Some hosted WordPress plans have restrictions, so that's worth keeping in mind if the option looks different from what you expect. And that's it for this part of the integration setup. You've now gone into WordPress, opened the plugin section, searched for Zoho Flow, and activated it so you can begin connecting your site with Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.